Hello everyone, welcome to Totally Dazzled. My name is Linda and I'm with Circle Heart Creations, and we are going to create a cute little Valentine craft. So y'all come on in and hang out. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to be using this cute little, I think I got this from Michael's. So look at this, how cute this is. So this is just a little wooden piece. Again, I think I got this from Michael's. So it's just a little wooden piece. Okay, so we're gonna paint this real quick. Let's see. All right, so we got this, and I'm just using Waverly in the color Plaster. That's all I'm doing for the base here. Look how cute. This is just a cute little piece. You know what? Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the let's go ahead and paint the back. Now the fun part, right? We're gonna do the iron-on method because I'm using this craft paper and it's pretty thick. I've already cut it out, y'all. This is just I think I got this, I don't even know. May have been a maybe a Hobby Lobby. I think so. It's kind of vintagey looking. It's kind of vintagey looking. I'm gonna use my Pint Art Decoupage varnish and glue. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Alright, so I'm just going to put this paper, like I said, it's just craft paper. I want to say I did get it from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so we need, no, I'm going to get a clean one. Let's see. Alright, I'm just going to put parchment paper down, piece of parchment paper. Would go over it. I don't want to bubble it up, but I'm going to seal it a little bit here. And since I was going with the shabby chic, vintage, whatever you want to call this. Okay, so we got that all done, and then we are going to, I think I'm going to go ahead and put the pearls on here. I don't know if it's in the wedding section anymore. I want to say it's where the sewing section at my Hobby Lobby, but now you get the pearls. But these are a little bit bigger now, and I'm going to use the fabric tack. Alright, so we got the pearls. Maybe you can see the pearls on there. Cute. Cute. Okay. Now these fit perfect on here. I'm going to do the inside of this, the smaller one. Here is that. How cute is that? I like that. Okay, so now let's see. We're going to, I'm just using what I have, y'all, at home. Actually, I should have put this on first. I forgot about this little material. I'm going to dismantle this just for a minute. I'm just taking this little piece of lace. I just cut it from what I had at home here. Let's see, what do we need for this? put a little lace on that side of the heart. I think I'm doing this all backwards. Alright, I will have to cut this little piece. So we're using these cute little, look at these cute little, what are these? Angel sheriffs? I don't know. I'm gonna try to get this bit in there again. I probably should have, I'm doing everything backwards. This should have been in there first, but it's okay. I'm just using the water method to kind of lay this down with our little decoupage medium, whatever you use. Okay, got that down. Give that a dry, and I'll show y'all in a minute. I like these little carrots. So these are the other ones that came with it. So 4 of these on a sheet. Again, this is Reba Rose. I am an affiliate with Reba Rose. Okay, I'm going to put this other over here. I don't want to cut too much off of this one. I can't because I'll be cutting her wings off. So I'm just painting some white back here just so, I mean, if you don't, it will blend with the background paper, which is okay if you like that look or you want that background paper to peek through there. That's fine too. That's no big deal. Okay, so now I've dried that. I did paint it on the back. I've dried that, and I'm gonna put it on here. I'm just putting my decoupage medium on top of that. So we have this. All right, so we're gonna start putting a little bit of the. So all I had left from my Valentine pack, not very many, I think this is all I had left from my pack, but look at these. Aren't those cute? Let's see, I need these 7,000 over here. I'm using that love. We're putting that right there. This is like a mixed media type thing, y'all. I'm ready for my hot glue to, I think I'm gonna put this heart right here. Y'all go check out, we still have the heart pack. Y'all go check that out. We still have that left too. I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put this over here. With a little Totally Dazzled piece, maybe, I don't know. I'm just playing. So this is, look at this piece. I love this piece. It almost looks like a filigree type thing. It does have a few rhinestones on that one. This is one of my favorite antique bronze. Just see what this is going to look like. I think I'm going to like that. I'm just going to do this one little one so y'all can at least see what the gold will look like. So here you go. Alright y'all, that's really all I had for y'all tonight. I mean, you can bling this up. I could have put a big piece right here of Totally Dazzled. They had those big pieces too. That would have been pretty. Goodbye. Stay warm. Love you guys. Bye-bye.